Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know I'm back with another video. Okay, so getting right into it, guys. We have a Fashion Nova haul. This was my first time ordering from Fashion Nova, like this much stuff, so I'm kind of excited. And I got my first pair of jeans. I'm trying to see how that booty finna look. Do you hear me? So yeah, it's like a big old box of stuff. So yep. So let me pull up my receipt so I can give y'all the direct prices of everything, because I shopped on clearance. Okay, because what we not finna do is pay Benjamin for some pants. Not gonna do that. Okay. So the first thing I pull out is this. Look, y'all can't see that. This top right here. It's like this orangish color. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is a mix and match cami bikini top. Oh, I didn't even know that. I'm thinking it's just a crop top. And this is in the color orange. It feels so good from just me feeling it right now. It feels so good. It looks like it's gonna be so comfortable and fit me so cute, and it's stretchy, so I'm really excited about that. This is in a small once again, and this was originally $14.99 and it is now $3.98. The color is just so beautiful. Next, I have this shirt. I can't even find where to open it. I have this shirt, and I just felt like this shirt was just so freaking cute. So this shirt right here is so cute. I think it's a crop top. Yeah, it's a crop top, and it says security on there, and I just feel like this is like so official. Like, you know, this shirt is just so cute. This is a maximum security top, and this is in the size extra small, so hopefully it fits on me really good, because it is extra small, but sometimes crop tops still fall below the navel. But yes, it is so cute. This shirt was originally $19.99 and it is now $7.98, and that's what I paid for it, because I'm not finna pay $20 for this shirt. I ain't real security. But yeah, this is so cute and I love it. The next top I have, see, I love bright tops. I really do. I really do. So here's the shirt. Oh my gosh, I love this. I really hope y'all can see that. I love this. I have to bring it back a little bit because the color is so bright, it's throwing it off. But yes, this shirt says baby girl on it, and this is a baby girl crop pink. So it's in pink, neon pink actually, and this is an extra small. I love the material, also very stretchy, and it seems like it'll fit comfortably to my body, and that's what I love when it comes down to a crop top. I like it to be stretchy, not stiff, because why is it stiff? If I wanted stiff, I would have bought cardboard. So this shirt was originally $17.99 and it is now $4.98, so $5. Okay, so this is the last top, and let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's black and it says honey on the front. I think this is off the shoulder, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is off the shoulder, duh. This is the Sweetest honey off shoulder crop top in black and extra small. So once again, very stretchy, and I love just that subtle word of honey on the front. It just adds the perfect little touch to the top, so I like that. So this shirt was originally $19.99 and it is now $5.98. So I said that last top was the last top, and I lied, but not intentionally. I forgot I had bought one more top. So this is the Mila, I think that's her name. Mila tie front top. So if you can't see it on camera, it has this little tie part at the bottom, and this is in the color black, and the size, this is in the size small. It was originally $9.99 and it is now $2.98. Now, why you put it in this big old bag though? This one made me think like, cause really. So I ain't gonna do pants just yet. I got some shoes too, so. So the first pair of shoes, let's see. And y'all ain't tried on nothing, so I don't even know if these fit. Okay, so the first shoe comes in this little thingy box. And it comes in this, which is a dust bag. So this is the shoe right here. See, I love that. I love that. It has this little clear wedge right here. It has a clear strap, and it also has the ties. These are called Clearly Your Type wedge. Okay, clearly your type. That's a good caption. So these are in the size 7.5. These were originally $44.99 and I got them for $25.98. Yes sir. Yes, I think it was a deal. I love this color. I needed some nude, and I particularly like wedges, but now the wedges I have seen look weird, if you get what I'm saying. So these with the clear, I feel like that's just so different, and it just gives it a whole different look. So yeah, the next pair of shoes, now these is the ones I've been really iffy about, and I'm really iffy about these, because they didn't, I bought them because they were a good price, but I don't really know how they gonna look on me. It look like they'll look nice. So these are what they are, which I call these sock heels. They might not be called sock heels, but the only thing that I'm iffy about is that they're gonna heel. I just don't like the shape of it, but for the price, I just went with it. So these are called She's a Catch booties. She's a Catch booties, okay? They're red, of course, and they are in the size 8. The reason why I got different sizes is because I was reading the reviews, and some would say, oh, they run too big. Some would say they run too small. They would say size up, size down, get your exact size, da, 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 da. So I just stayed in between the 7.5 and 8. These were originally $44.99 and I got them for $25.98. So yeah, and it also comes with extra little bottom heel pieces that go on the bottom right there. So what they trying to say? Do that thing be falling out? Because why would you send me that? Okay, the next pair of shoes I got are, now I've been waiting on these. So I got these, but I'm gonna turn sideways. I got these shoes right now. I got these shoes, well, these boots right here. I really got some because I needed some thigh highs, but I have a skinny leg, so I really hope they fit me. These are called Feelings Magnified boots. Well, I don't need nothing that's gonna magnify my feelings, man. They're the size 8. These were originally $49.99, $50, and I got them for $29.99, $30. So the last pair of shoes I got are these, and I'm excited for these. So this is what they look like. These are really nothing but some slippers. I just need something to slide around the house in because I'm tired of Nike slides. So these are called Fluffing Comfy Slippers. So the name itself, and oh, that feels so good. And they are a size 8. They were originally $20 and I got them for $11.98. Good deal for some comfort. So that's the last pair of shoes. It's time to get into the bottoms. I'm excited. Okay. So So before I get into the pants, I did buy one odd thing, and it's this skirt right here. It's not really odd, but I seen it for a great price, so I bought it. So this is the skirt. So it has the little slip marks in there, which I thought was a different touch for a skirt. And it's kind of long, but it's not short, but it's a good summer skirt. So it is very breathable. The material is very breathable. So this is called the Casual Lover skirt, and it's in the color yellow and the size extra small. It was originally $14.99 and I got it for $5.98. So we better get into some bottoms, y'all. See, people talk too highly of Fashion Nova, so if my stuff ain't making my booty look like I'm from Georgia, I'm gonna feel some type of way. So these are the first pair of shorts, and I just feel like they look too big. Like, already I just feel like they look too freaking big. These are Cruising On by Exposed Button Denim Shorts. What kind of name is this? So these are in light blue wash. They have the detail of the little distress right there, and it also has the distress on the back, on the pocket, and it just cuts off at the bottom just like that. And these were $19.99, but I got them for $5.98. So $20 shorts for $6. $6 denim. Okay, and these are in the size small. The next set of shorts are these right here. Now these look like they're gonna fit me. Like, and I love this type of denim, like this dark wash denim. It's just so classic to me. I don't know, I love it. These are called Cassandra high rise denim shorts in medium blue wash. So this ain't the dark wash, this is the medium wash. Okay, correct me now. And these are high waist. So yes to the high waist. And see, it says enhances your curves on them. Let me show y'all. Y'all see? It says enhance your curves. If I don't look enhanced, and I'm talking about Dr. Miami enhanced, do you hear me? So these were originally $19.99 and I got them for $5.98. Yes, got me the perfect summer jeans. They look right. So this is the next pair of shorts. So these are just like the other shorts I showed you, the first pair. These are the same exact thing, except they're in the medium dark wash. So these are the Cruising On by Exposed Button ones. Yeah, same thing. It's just in that the medium dark wash. So it has the distress part right here, as well as the ones on the back, and it's cut off. So I got these for $5.98, but the price has jumped back to $20 on the site, and I would never pay $20 for some shorts. I love you, Fashion Nova, I'm just saying. All of my shorts are in small. My last pair of shorts, and these are so cute. Sometimes I be forgetting what I be ordering. This is what they look like. Look at that, look at that at the top. I love that. I like these. So these are called Waste No Time Distressed Denim Shorts, period. Okay, these are in the size small and they are black. They're also stretchy at the waist, so I like that. These are what they look like at the back, and they're just cuffed at the bottom. These were originally $19.99 and I got them for $7.98. Before I show y'all my final pair, this is the second to last pair, but these aren't really just pants, but this is a overall set. So it has the button details on the side, it has the part for the belt around the waist, and it's just a simple overall set, really, honestly. Has a little pocket in the middle, so cute. So this is, like I said, these are Brown overalls, and these are in dark denim, and these are a size small. Love the detail on the leg. So these were originally $34.99 and I got them for $19.98. So the last pair of pants. And the one thing that I've been so excited about trying on. So here they are. Just oh, the flare. The flare is what I love. It's the flare for me. It's the flare for me. Do you see her out there flaring freely? Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Okay. So these are the pants. See what I don't like though is this no pocket thing right here. This gives me very much like but these are called where's the tag? Where's the tag? Jeez. Free Spirit pull on Fleur jeans. And I definitely have a free spirit, so these are for me. These are for me. And these are in the size small. Yes, all my pants are in size small. But yeah, I love it. There's really no distress in it. It's just this dark denim. I love this. I love this. It has the little detail right here. I don't know what they're saying. So this was original $39.99 and I got it for $22.98. Definitely not paying $40 for no jeans, but I'll pay $22.98. Keep the change. So that's basically the haul, guys. This was my first fashionable haul and probably gonna be my last. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Y'all always know I'm gonna tell y'all to always do your best. Stay blessed. Never forget to pray and manifest. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.